y'all so much. How y'all doing? Well, I really love doing this next song I'm about to do. Oh, that's a reject. I don't know where that came from, but... You know, everything is sure different after the pandemic, ain't it? Don't get me started, don't get me started. Supply chain delay, oh yeah, man. Anyway, I love doing this song because it reminds me of my little baby girl, Kelsey. That picture was taken a little while ago. Kelsey's all grown up now. Yeah, baby. Anyway, I'm so proud of her. She's in her 3rd year of college. Yeah. I didn't go to college. I didn't even get close to. I dated a co-ed once. Anyway. This song reminds me of Kelsey because Kelsey is a rainbow in my heart. And this song has a rainbow in it.